Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we are replacing the front sprocket on the Tiger from a 16 tooth to a 17 tooth just to drop the RPMs on the high end when you're on the highway. So stick around.
We must reject any forms of fundamentalism or racism. Instead, we need to embrace the tolerance that results from respect of all human beings.
I am here to say our house is on fire. We are less than 12 years away from not being able to undo our mistakes. Unprecedented changes in all aspects of society have taken place.
In tamping down rather than encouraging. Instead, we need to embrace the tolerance that results from respect of all human beings.
Okay, so the sprocket is in. We've adjusted the chain, checked the specs online, set it correctly, tightened everything up. So I think we're good to go. So before we replaced the sprocket from the 16 tooth to the 17, we took some footage of the speedo and we checked what the RPM does at what speeds. So what we're going to do now that we've changed the sprocket, we're going to take it for a ride and we're going to see what the RPM does at those same speeds and see how much that's decreased. And then we can get a definitive answer if it's gonna let those RPMs down at the top end when you're on the highway. So let's check it out.